Hey guys, what's up? If you guys are still following along with us on our Mariner of the Seas series, yeah, thank you. Definitely thank you. You should have by now watched us embark on the Mariner of the Seas. Watched us at Coco Key, whichever it is, and our time of nothing at Nassau.
Yeah.
And then this last video was actually a sea day for us. So most of that time was actually doing a tour, or at least providing you guys with a tour of the ship.
Yeah.
So hopefully you guys found that helpful, since there's not much really to do on a sea day, which is great.
Yeah. You kind of surprised me. You caught me off guard when you said that most of our time was spent doing a tour of the ship. I was expecting you to say doing nothing. So.
We really did nothing. I mean, it was cool to walk around to do the tour, and we did the tour for ourselves too.
Yeah.
So,
well, I guess we keep saying that we did nothing, but we don't really show the nothing on the videos, so that might
be boring.
Well, it would be boring, but I guess it looks like in the videos we're doing more than what we actually. The perception is different than actuality. I should say.
Yeah. Yeah, because when you cut out the nothing, then you're
left with 15 minutes of a video.
Yeah, but no, that would be. My goodness, no one would watch 10 hours.
We wouldn't even watch it.
So we didn't do much.
We didn't. We had a bunch on our schedule. Royal's app is pretty good at letting you schedule out all the different activities that are available. So the first activity on the schedule was a 9:15 a.m. crossword solving group.
Overslept
that. We probably could have made it if we really wanted to, but we decided to get breakfast instead because it was a sea day. And the next thing on the schedule was at like 11 o'clock, I think, and it was a Friends trivia.
Yeah.
So we got up there late. There were no seats available. I enjoy the show Friends. I do not know the show Friends enough to answer questions like how many roses did Ross give Emily, and how many different categories of towels does Monica sort her towels into. But the one funny thing that came out of it was that Spicy Jalapeno that was doing the trivia?
No.
Okay.
No.
Well, it was somebody from Mexico.
Yeah.
And so somebody shows up very late. I mean, it's like 4 or 5 questions in. And she's running around trying to get a piece of paper. And he goes, so the MC from Mexico goes, "Where are you from?" And I think she says she was from Arkansas. Mm-hmm. And the MC says, "Well, that's interesting. I'm from Mexico and I showed up on time."
Yeah, it was hilarious. Everyone was cracking up. Because, if you haven't been to Mexico, those fools are late all the time.
That's
the thing.
A courtesy to be late.
Yeah. So that was good.
But we didn't stay for the entire time because we were doing a ship tour for the channel. Got lunch at the Windjammer. I'm sure we took another nap.
Had to have.
And there was 90s pop Name That Tune, which was a ton of fun, and we should have actually entered because we would have done very well on that. We just stood around, listened to the music, and finished the lyrics, and drank Albertinis.
Yeah, we did.
Went to dinner, and after dinner, we had a lot on the agenda because there was karaoke. I can't remember, but it was like a packed agenda that night for the last night on the cruise. And somebody that I'm looking at is overserved.
I don't know what happened.
Well, he asked, "Can we just go back to the room for a little bit?" I was like, "Sure." Full well knowing that we're probably not going to be leaving the room. And so we get there, and I just trying to ask, like, "What is going on with you?" And he was like, I don't know. I feel kind of funny. I was like, are you drunk? He goes, a little bit. And then it was done.
Yeah, that was, it was unfortunate because that was our last night
Yes.
on the cruise. And it was like, I don't remember what time it was then, 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it was very early. I remember kind of being kind of upset that it was so early, but it was like, well, I'm not that tired, so what am I going to do? Babysit.
I was fine. Ended up watching the Olympics.
I think that was the night before we watched shuffleboard.
It wasn't shuffleboard, it's curling.
Curling. I always want to say that. I always want to say that.
Oh.
Curling, yeah. Fell asleep to that. Because that's like straight up melatonin for me.
I guess with that, hopefully you guys have been enjoying the series. But the next video upcoming is pretty exciting.
Mm-hmm. It's sad, but exciting.
Yes, definitely. So we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.